And here is the first question. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India? And here the correct answer is option number C, that is M.K. Kanti. And question number 2. In the Constitution of India, the term federal appears in? The correct answer is none of the above. Here, in the Constitution of India, the term federal appears in the Part 1 of the Constitution. The preamble is the brief introduction of the Constitution. It states about the people of India having ceremony into sovereignty, democracy, justice, liberty, equality, and etc. And Part 3 Constitution deals with the fundamental rights, Article 12 to 35. Article 368 is for provision of amendments in Constitution. And question number 3. Indian federal structure is inspired by which model of the countries given below? And correct answer is option number B, that is Canada. And question number 4. India has borrowed the concept of fundamental rights from the Constitution of? The correct answer is option number B, that is USA. And question number 6. The phrase equality before law used in Article 14 of Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of? The correct answer is option number A, that is Britain. Question number 7. The source of the basic structure theory of the Constitution of India is? The correct answer is option number B, that is opinion juries. And question number 8. Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option number C, that is sovereignty of Parliament. Question number 9. Indian Constitution is? Correct answer is option number A, that is federal. And question number 10. Which one of the following is not a part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution? And here, the correct answer is option number C, that is Republican form of government. And question number 11. Indian Constitution is? Here, the correct answer is option number C, that is neither rigid nor flexible. In question number 12, the idea of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from? The correct answer is option number C, that is Australia. And question number 13. The idea of the directive principle of state policy in the Indian Constitution has been taken from the Constitution of? The correct answer is option number A, that is Ireland. And question number 14. The federal system of India was inspired by the constitution of the following? The correct answer is option number A, that is Canada. And question number 15. Which of the following are the correct matching of the countries and the borrow features of the Indian Constitution from them? Number 1, UK bicameral parliament. Number 2, USSR independence of judiciary and judicial review. Number 3, Australia 5-year plan. Number 4, US language of the preamble. And number 5, Japan law on which the Supreme Court function. Number 6, Ireland method of election of president. And here, the correct answer is option number C. That means number 1, 5, and 6 are correct. And question number 16, which of the following statements about the Constitution of India is or are correct? Here, number 1, popular sovereignty and adult franchises are the basic features of the Constitution. Number 2, the Constitution in so far as the division of powers between the center and the state is concurrent is rigid. Number 3, the Constitution recognizes the interdependence of civil and economic rights. Number 4, the Constitution mentioned direct control by the people, such as referendum, initiative, and recall. Select the correct answer from the code given below. And here, the correct answer is option number D. That is, number 1, 2, and 3 are correct. And question number 17, consider the following statements. The Indian Constitution is, number 1, an unwritten constitution. Number 2, a written constitution. Number 3, largely based on the Government of India Act 1935. Number 4, a gift of British Parliament. And here, the correct answer is option number B. That is, number 2, Indian Constitution is a written constitution, and number 3, Indian Constitution is largely based on the Government of the Indian Act 1935. And question number 18, consider the following statements. The silent features of the Indian Constitution provide for, number 1, single citizenships for the whole of India. Number 2, strictly federal form of government. And number 3, unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. And here, the correct answer is option number D. That is, number 1, Indian silent feature of Indian Constitution is a single citizenships for the whole of India, and number 3, unique blend of rigidity and flexibility. And question number 19, which of the following features of the Indian government systems are the essential features of the parliamentary government system? Number 1, presence of nominal and real executives. Number 2, membership of the minister in the legislature. Number 3, separation of powers between the union and state government. And number 4, independent judiciary system. Select the correct answer using the code given below. And here, the correct answer is option number A. That is, number 1 and 2. Number 1 is presence of nominal and real executive. Number 2, membership of the ministers in the legislature. And question number 20, which of the following federal principles are not found in Indian Federation? Number 1, purification of the judiciary between the federal and state governments. Number 2, equality of representation of the states in the upper house of the federal legislature. Number 3, the union cannot be destroyed by any state ceding from the union of its will. Number 4, federal government can redraw the map of the Indian Union by forming new states. Select the correct answer using the code given below. And here, the correct answer is option number C. That is, number 1, purification of the judiciary between the federal and state. Number 2, equality of representation of the states in the upper house of the federal legislature are not found in the Indian Federation. And question number 21, which among the following features of the federal system is not found in the Indian political system? And here, the correct answer is option number A. That is dual citizenship. And question number 22. Consider the following statements about the Constitution of India. Number 1. A member of parliament enjoys freedom of speech in the parliament as a parliamentary privilege protected by the Constitution of India. Number 2. The Constitution has vested the power to arm the Constitution in the parliament. Which of the statements given above are correct? And here, the correct answer is option number C. That is, both 1 and 2. And question number 23. Which among the following is not a basic features of the Constitution of India? And here, the correct answer is option number D. That is, the unquestioned right of the parliament to amend any part of the Constitution. And question number 24. Which one among the following is not the characteristics of a federal system? And here, the correct answer is option number C. That is, there is no separation of powers between the legislative and the executive branches of government. And question number 25. Which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? And here, the correct answer is option number D. That is, right to constitutional remedies. And question number 26. Right to equality finds a place in the Constitution under number 1, Article 13, number 2, Article 14, number 3, Article 15, number 4, Article 16. And here, the correct answer is option number C. That is, right to equality find a place in the Constitution under number 2, Article 14, number 3, Article 15, and number 4, Article 16. Number 2, number 3, number 4. And question number 27. India has adopted a federation of dash type. And here, the correct answer is option number B. That is, India has adopted a federation of Canadian type. And question number 28. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for uniform civil code for a citizen? And here, the correct answer is option number B. That is Article 44. And question number 29. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the right to constitutional remedies? And here, the correct answer is option number D. That is Article 32. And question number 30. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with center-state financial relations? And the correct answer is option number C. That is part 12. And question number 31. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the financial provisions? And here, correct answer is Article 360. And question number 32. In which schedule of the Indian Constitution powers of Panchayat are stated? And here, the correct answer is option number D. That is 11th schedule. And question number 33. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with citizenships in India? And here, the correct answer is option number C, that is Article 5 to Article 11. And question number 34, under which article the Parliament provides financial assistance to states? And here, the correct answer is option number C, that is Article 275. And question number 35, which of the following schedules deals with the divisions of powers between union and states? And here, the correct answer is option number C, that is 7th schedule. And question number 36, under which article the President of India can be removed by the process of impeachment? And here, the correct answer is option number D, that is Article 61. And question number 37, under which of the constitutional provision the Supreme Court of India extends advice to the President of India? And here, the correct answer is option number C, that is Article 143. And question number 38, under which article the Parliament of India can legislate on any subject in the state list in national interest? And here, the correct answer is option number D, that is Article 249. And question number 39, under which article the Parliament of India may constitute administrative tribunal? And the correct answer is option number A, that is Article 323A. And question number 40, which of the following articles deals with the impeachment process against the President of India? And here the correct answer is option number D, that is Article 61. And question number 41, which article of Indian Constitution is related with the protection of the interests of the minorities? And here, the correct answer is Article 29. And question number 42, which schedule of Indian Constitution is related to Panchayat Raj? And here, the correct answer is option number D, that is 11th schedule. And question number 43, which of the following schedules of Indian Constitution is related with the allotment of states in Rajya Sabha? And here, the correct answer is option number B, that is 4th schedule. And question number 44, the provision for constitution of legislators in states is enshrined in which article of the Indian Constitution? And here, the correct answer is option number A, that is Article 168. And question number 45, the idea of organization of panchayats as a duty of state is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer is option number D, that is chapter 4. And question number 46, which article of the Constitution allows the center to form new states? And here, the correct answer is option number A, that is Article 3. And question number 47, The provision of the sixth schedule shall not apply in which one of the following states? The correct answer is option number D, that is Goa. And question number 48, how many subjects are kept under the jurisdiction of panchayats in the 11th schedule of the constitution? The correct answer is option number C, that is 29. And question number 49, which article of Indian Constitution deals with amendment procedure? And the correct answer is option number D, that is article 368. And question number 50, and this is the last question for today's videos. The question is, in which part of the Indian Constitution legislative relation between center and state is given? And here, the correct answer is option number B, that is 11. So, thank you for watching my videos, and if you like my videos and gain something from these videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can easily update my videos whenever I upload. So see you in the next videos.